I can't believe this is happening. These Air Jordan 1s are on the rise. Prices are going up. You still have a chance to get a pair of Lost and Founds in your size. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Lost and Found Jordan 1s. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Follow Saucy Souls on Instagram. His link is down below in the description. And then DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed and followed us both on Instagram. This giveaway ends at the end of the month, which is very soon. New Year's. Next week, I'll be picking the winner. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. Please watch out for scammers. There are scammers out there pretending to be me, say they work for me, creating all these accounts. Please watch out, check the account, and you will realize none of it is me. So please watch out, do not get scammed, and good luck on a free pair of Lost and Founds. And if you guys get this video up to an easy 300 likes in the first 24 hours, I will give away another pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s in January and in February. So please make sure you guys subscribe. I'm looking to give away Lost and Founds for the holidays. I want to give back to the Moore family. So please make sure you guys smash that like button and smash that subscribe button for free sneaker giveaways. Sole Premise has sneaker bags designed to store your sneakers safely when you're traveling. As you guys can see, I have 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers inside of my bag here. There's also room on the bottom of the bag for another pair of sneakers as well. I also have room for my clothes, laptop, chargers, and a bunch more storage. There's even front compartments as well. All Sole Premise bags are designed to store your sneakers. They're high quality. There's tons of different colors, tons of different bags. You guys are gonna find a bag that you're gonna fall in love with my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my discount code Danny Moore, my name Danny Moore, for 40% off your entire order. These bags are perfect for the holidays. They make a great gift for a sneakerhead. I know you guys will fall in love with their sneaker bags. They're amazing. Click my link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. This Air Jordan 1 is reselling right now for mid $200. They were selling for low 200, around 210. Market's quickly going up, and I do not think it's done yet. This Air Jordan 1 has a lot of hype to it, a lot of demand to it. Men's prices continue to skyrocket, and I think grade school is going to do the same. As we see prices go up, it's going to show that, hey, people want them. Demand is there. Everybody wants this sneaker. I did do a video a few weeks ago telling you guys, hey, you need to buy these up in grade school sizes. The smaller sizes are where it's at right now because market, like I said, was around 210. Right now, they're up to about mid 200s, that 240, 250 price range. I do think they're not done. These are not done, not even close to being done, to skyrocketing up in price in the grade school sizes. The Air Jordan 1, Lost and Found. I know everybody is talking about these, right? They're talking about the men's pairs, how these are going up, the skyrocket of the men's pairs. But don't sleep and don't forget about the grade school, because grade school is doing the same. They're going up just like the men's are. The hype, the demand is through the roof on the Lost and Founds. Grade school was a great buy. Keep in mind, retail is $140. Guys, $140 on grade school. It's not bad. That's a great price. Resale right off the jump was $200. Right off the jump was $200, and now they're going for $240, $250. They're not done. Not done. Don't sleep. Don't think that, hey, you know, it's too late. Man, they went up in price already. I can't make money. No. If you guys can still find these for low 200s, buy them up. If you can find them for that 230, 240 price range where market's basically at, I do suggest buying them still. It's going to be a good hold. If you have capital, if you have some money to spend, it's a good hold. It really is a good hold in grade school sizes. I will say, and I think that it might be better than men's because it's a cheaper investment. You can get almost pretty much 2 pairs of these for the price of one of these, which is crazy. So I definitely think it's a good hold. It's a great looking sneaker. Market is there, demand is there, prices are only going up, and like I keep saying, not done. Not done. They're on the rise. They're currently on the rise. We're watching them go up. In the current time right now, we're watching them go up in price. It's not done. It's not done. So if you do need a personal in grade school, buy them. You should have bought them already. If you haven't already, buy them. If you need a personal. If you definitely need a personal, you don't want to go be spending $350 down the line, buy them while you still can. If you're looking to, make money on them, you want to hold them, try to get them for low 200s if it's still possible. If not, you may have to spend a few extra bucks because they are on the rise. Market is already going up. And hold on to them because they're going to go up to $300. In 2023, I predict, my opinion, they're going to go up to $300 in grade school sizes. And we'll watch them climb up a little bit more than that as well. Potentially be like a $350 shoe. Potential down the line to be like a $350 shoe. I definitely think they're not done. We're watching them. We're watching that price go up. And it's not too late for grade school lost and founds. Hey guys, if you don't have your men's pair, market's going up. Don't sleep on the lost and founds, and don't forget to enter my free giveaway. Like this video, subscribe, leave your comment, let me know your size. I need you guys to leave a comment. Let me know your size in the lost and founds. Please make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Follow Saucy Souls. Those links are down below in the description. And then DM me proof, Danny Moore 2369. Send me that proof that you guys did everything. Good luck on a free pair of lost and founds in your size. Guys, don't sleep. Please do not sleep on grade school lost and founds. Grade school is where it's at sometimes. That's where the money could be made sometimes on holds because it's a cheaper investment and your return on investment is there. And a lot of grade school does go up quickly. Take a look at any really hype Jordan 1 grade school sizes, University Blue Jordan 1s, Hyper Royal Jordan 1s. They were all good holds, all quickly went up. Take a look at the 4s, right? Take a look at Jordan 4s, grade school sizes. A lot of them start off at $200 and quickly go up to $300. We have a similar situation going on here with the lost and found in grade school sizes. They're on the rise. Market is not done going up on the lost and found Air Jordan 1 at all. Market's not done. Creeping up in price. They're on the rise. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of lost and founds. Picking the winner on New Year's. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Please watch more videos. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.